How to add star rating for your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will show you step by step how to add your star rating. So the first step is going to be by adding an application that actually helps you to do so, because Shopify itself doesn't have that feature just yet. So we're just going to go to the apps section, click on add apps. Go to the Shopify App Store. Now from here you're going to have a lot of options to choose from, but I personally suggest that you go for Judge Me. So you can just go in and search up judge.me and you should be able to find this one right over here. Once you see this page, just go in and click on install. From here you just want to click on install one more time. And then here we can just go in and begin our setup. So settings, language, widgets and email language. And where would you like to install it? So I'm just going to select my current theme, but if you want to change that to a different theme, it's up to you to choose from here. Next up, just go in and click on next. And then here we have just a few setup options that we can just go ahead and go through real quick. So more like personal questions on how you prefer things to be. For example, which best describes your store right now, just starting out and so on. And obviously these are going to depend on you and your situation. So just feel free to go through them or simply just skip from the bottom right. Once we jump into the install tab, we simply just want to click on enable app embed, click on that. So from here, just make sure this is turned on. As you can see, click on save from the top right corner and then just come back to this page. Now you just go and click on install review widgets. Go ahead and move them wherever you actually want them to be. In my case, I'm just going to leave them here at the bottom. This is going to be the reviews. But if you prefer to actually move it around, you can feel free to do so by just dragging the section up or down as you like. Once this is done, we simply just click on save one more time. And we go back to this page where we install star ratings from basically the same steps again, just for star ratings this time. And then once you're happy with it, again, just click on save. And one more time, just go back to that page. So after all of that, you can just go and review them, change the star color if you want. You can just go and make it yellow if that's what you're into. So you can feel free to really change it to whatever you want. And you can even upload your store logo URL. Anyways, just click on next once you're done and you should be good to go. You should have star ratings on your Shopify store. And just to showcase it, you can go to any product of yours. You can actually see the reviews down here and you can even just leave a review yourself. Just can be opened with the editor. So this is going to be how it looks like. This is the name of the product and you can just go in and rate the product as you like and write a review here. So this is how to add your star ratings on your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful for you. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.